Los Huehues. The Carnival of Aguatempan, better known as Los Huehues, is a tradition that year after year is renewed and endures thanks to the participation of children and adults who dress up and participate in the beautiful party. The organizing committee thank you and those who in one way or another contribute and make it possible for this tradition to be kept alive through these paraphrase and dance that are made in the festival. Dia de Muertos. The Day of the Dead is one of the festivities that I like a lot because of the fact that traditions are preserved from the elderly to the young people of day. In this festival, families gather to go to the cemetery to watch over the sunset, relatives bringing music, candles, and sensual flowers, church, and the cempasúchil. Within the tradition, they usually play ofrendas with the food that the deceased person liken and will as their music.